Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. We all have lights for our YouTube recording or Facebook streaming or any other type of lights which we use without a dimmer most of the time because the lights which come with dimmer apart from the ring lights are kind of expensive. But if you have a bulb or something which you're using for your recording and you want a dimmer for that, like example these type of lights, like an umbrella light over here, you can see that, or you can a normal round light on which you're putting a soft box like this. So in case you want to go ahead and put a dimmer on that, in this video, do go ahead and watch the complete video. Going to show you step by step how you can add a dimmer to that in around 100 rupees. That's it. So let's start. Okay guys, so what all we need to go ahead and make a dimmer? That is, how can you dim your light? So now I'm going to show you what all we require for that. So let's start with that. So now if you see to my table, you'll be able to see the wires and all. It's all jumbled up. So I'll just go ahead and separate it for you. Okay. These are two these are two sets of same type of wires. So I'll just show you. One is a male plug over here and one is a female plug. And if you see in between, what I have done over here is I have gone ahead and taken a normal fan regulator which can be used as a dimmer. So this is a normal fan regulator which I have taken. You can get this for about 50 to 60 bucks. Via 1 meter is about 10 bucks. I have got two of them, but if you just need one, you can just get one. And this is 10 bucks, this is 10 bucks. That's all it's gonna cost. And you can assemble it yourself. It's simple. So if you see behind this, you can see that there are some wires coming out over here. One is positive, one is negative. So what you have to do is, if you see both the sides, I have gone ahead and taken the yellow wire to attach it to each of them. You can use even the blue, but I have taken the yellow to go ahead and do that. So it's nothing, it is as simple as you're going ahead and attaching a lamp switch. Like that, you're going to attach this over here. Now, let me go to the light and I will go ahead and show you how we are going to go ahead and use this. So let's go there. Okay guys, so now we have come to the light. So in this case, I'm using this light. This is a round light. It doesn't have any fuse. It doesn't have any dimmer or anything, and it is connected via a normal wire. Okay. So now, as I told you, I'm going to use this, and if you see here, the light is getting reflected on the wall. So we are going to go ahead and disconnect this light and connect it via this dimmer. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch off this dimmer completely. So that little by little we'll be able to adjust, and I'll show you how good this is. Okay. So let me just adjust this mic over here. So now you will be able to see that the light is connected in this wire. I'm just going to disconnect the wire, and we have a contraption over here. I'm connecting one end over here. So the wire is fixed properly. and the other end I'll be connecting to the switch point where the light is. And if you see the dimmer over here, it's on. So now I'll be going ahead and switching on the light. So now you see that the light is completely off. I'm going to switch on the plug, and now you'll be able to see how the light has dimmed down. So now I'm just going ahead and shifting it over to a little higher range. If you see, this is the complete high, and while you're changing it to flicker, and this is the complete low of it. And if you're wondering what kind of bulb I'm using for this, it's not a normal bulb, but I will be able to show you clearly. So if you see the flicker comes in between, I'll show you this clearly. The flicker will come in between only when there's a issue in the light. That is like the flicker comes when the right voltage is not given. So you can just try out how to manage this flicker, and you'll see that it's gone totally soft or totally bright. Both you'll be able to see. I'm keeping in the soft setting so that I can go ahead and record this, and you can just keep it next to you. So now this would not work on all the bulbs. So let me just turn this light over. This will not work with all the bulbs. The kind of bulb which you're supposed to use, let me show you. It's kind of like a T bulb type. A normal T bulb like this. I'm just showing it over here. You'll be able to see. This is the bulb I'm using. This is the bulb I'm using to go ahead and do this. If you use a normal LED bulb, it will not be able to take the pressure of it. So go ahead and use a T bulb like this, and it will be useful for you. So as I told you, you can see that this is the dimmer over here, which you have to adjust accordingly to avoid the flickers. Let me just keep this over here. That is, if you use a normal bulb, what would happen is you will not be able to get the proper light ratio. A T bulb comes just for about 200 rupees, like a normal 15-watt LED bulb which you are going to buy. The same price, or even a T bulb comes, so it's not that expensive. You're just going to use the bulb. That is one of the best bulbs you can use, because if you go for dimmable bulbs, they are very expensive. They come in about thousands. So getting 100, 200 rupees bulb of a T bulb is very inexpensive. Okay guys, so now you have gone ahead and seen how I have gone ahead and used this normal contraption, that is a 10 rupee wire. This two is just 20 rupees, and this one is about 50 bucks, to go ahead and dim a light even though it doesn't have a dimmer in it. If you even go, you might find a normal dimmer also, but that would be very expensive to attach to your light. And the reason why I'm using these wires to go ahead is so that if you have a normal light, you can cut in between and do that. But later on, when you don't want to use the dimmer, or if your dimmer, like this type of dimmer, gets spoiled or something like that, you don't have to waste your money by cutting the wire in between of your light. You can use this one so that it's a portable thing. Whenever you want, you can attach the dimmer, and whenever you want, you can remove it off. And if you did like this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe for the channel so that you will get more notifications of this kind of videos which I make. And please leave your questions and any comments you have regarding this video so that I can help you out with this. Until next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day there.